Welcome to this Cloudrbox tutorial on how to buy products from our website. First, open your web browser by typing www.cloudrbox.com. Then, click Register. Fill in your details, including your name, email address, and password. Once you've filled out the form, click Register to create your account. After you create an account, scroll down and you will see Place an Order, Go Get Started, then tap. Then select cPanel license, and choose Free Web Hosting. Tap Order Now. Then choose what you want to do with your domain. For now I will use the existing domain and update my name servers.
For example, I will use gewggle.com.
Then wait to verify the chosen domain. Cloudrbox accepts various payment methods, including credit/debit cards and PayPal. For now I will use credit cards. Fill in the required information, and confirm your purchase. Once your payment is processed, you'll receive an order confirmation on the website and via email. And we are all set. Please don't forget to hit like, comment, share and subscribe.